Good morning, everyone. My name is Suhas Kulkarni. I am studying in 9th standard in Sri Satya Higher Secondary School. Today, I am going to give a presentation on coronavirus. So, first let us know what's a coronavirus. Coronavirus are a group of viruses that affect birds, mammals, and human beings. Some coronavirus can cause simple problems such as common cold, while other coronaviruses can cause devastating epidemics. For example, coronavirus disease 19 or COVID-19. Some coronavirus have some spikes on their surface which resemble a crown. So, crown in Latin means corona. Types of coronavirus diseases. There are mainly seven types of coronavirus in the world. They are SARS coronavirus disease, COVID 19, MERS coronavirus disease, 229E, NL63, OC43, and HKU1. So, now let us see the first type of coronavirus disease, which is SARS coronavirus disease. SARS full form is Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome. This coronavirus originated first in the Guangdong province in China in 2002. It is believed that this virus came from birds, bats to human beings. It's an airborne disease and is very contagious. It was a very deadly virus and affected nearly 25 countries, and over 8,000 cases of this virus were reported, and there was 700 deaths. Its spread was stopped by quarantine measures. The symptoms of this virus are generally very common, such as fever, diarrhea, shivers, and etc. There is no vaccine for this virus. Now, let us see the second type of virus, which is MERS or Middle East Respiratory Syndrome coronavirus. This coronavirus originated in Saudi Arabia in September 20th, 2012. About 2,519 cases of this virus were reported, and there were 866 deaths. And most of the people who are having diabetes and other lung infections were affected. It is believed that this virus came from camels to human beings. The symptoms are generally asymptomatic, but after a large number of days, symptoms such as fever, cough, shortness of breath, and pneumonia occur. This is a very rare virus and occurs about 5,000 cases per year. The precautions are washing your hands after touching animals. There is no vaccine for this virus. So now let us see the most famous virus, which is COVID-19 or coronavirus disease 19. COVID-19 is one of the most deadliest coronavirus the world has ever seen, since it spreads very fast. It was first found in the city of Wuhan in China in November 17, 2019. It is believed that this virus came from bats to human beings. This virus nearly affected each and every country in the world. This this disease is caused by a novel coronavirus, and novel coronavirus is a beta form of coronavirus. This virus is also called SARS coronavirus. So now let us see how SARS coronavirus 2 is see a novel coronavirus is also called SARS coronavirus 2, not SARS coronavirus. So now let us see how SARS coronavirus 2 affects our respiratory system. SARS coronavirus enters our body through eyes, nose, and mouth. Breathing takes it to the lower parts of our lungs. The coronavirus has a special type of protein which is known as spike protein, which it uses as a key to unlock the epithelial tissue present in our respiratory tract. SARS coronavirus is able to stay longer than any other flu or other coronavirus, as it uses ACE2 protein present on the surface of the lung to get in. After hijacking the cell, the coronavirus starts replicating and also affects other cells. So now, like how the lungs have ACE2 proteins, the coronavirus has something called antigens. Seeing these antigens, the immune cells produce antibodies. This triggers chemicals, namely cytokines and chemokines, which send different type of immune particles to attack the viral particles. But however, they cause inflammation in the cells. It is good sometimes and it's also bad. It is good as the inflammation in nose and upper respiratory tract produces mucus, which prevents from other viral particles from getting in. The inflammation in the hypothalamus gland in the brain causes fever and etc. But in case of COVID-19, but since the COVID-19 is able to penetrate deeper and the inflammation caused produce fluid in the lungs. So this fluid leads to pneumonia. The fluid contains T cells that attack our body cells and as well as the coronavirus cells. So when this happens, we get dry cough, which is a very good symptom of coronavirus disease 2019. As the fluid increases, and we need to have a ventilator and oxygen cylinder, and this leads to breathlessness. If this is not controlled, the person may lose his life. Now let us see what are the symptoms of COVID-19. The symptoms of coronavirus appear only after 14 to 15 days of conception. The symptoms are mainly cold, dry cough, fever, headache, sore throat, diarrhea, chest pain, and difficulty in breathing. Chest pain and difficulty in breathing appears in the last stages of coronavirus. This is 2019. So now, since we know that this is a very dangerous virus, let us know what are the preventions from it. Always wash your hands with soap and water or an alcohol-based sanitizer. Always maintain a distance from a person who is coughing or sneezing. Coronavirus can enter our body through eyes, nose, and mouth. So never touch your hands with eyes, nose, or mouth after going out. Drinking hot water or any hot liquid can kill coronavirus disease inside us. If you feel sick, please stay home. And if you are having any symptoms of COVID-19, please uh, seek medical attention. Always follow the rules given by local authorities. Now, conclusion. The government of India has taken excellent measures to break the chain of COVID-19. It has extended lockdown all over the country. I request each one of you to stay home and not come out. Stay home, stay safe. Only I and you can break this chain. The end.